can barely see you. Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa. Today I am going to do a creative gingerbread house the way a crafter would do it. I'm not going to follow the directions. I mean, these are fun and cute, but I can never get my gingerbread houses to stick together with frosting. I'll be honest with you. I've used a hot glue gun for years. And I just started kind of decorating it with all fun stuff that I craft with. So I thought this year I would film it and share the final gingerbread house with you. In fact, I have a gingerbread village. That is what I got to work on this year. I've already opened it just to make sure everything was in there. And I mean, we might mix in some of the candy, but mostly overall, we're going to use crafting stuff. So just come with me and let's get into this video because it's a lot of fun. So in my kit here, I have my white paper down too. So in my kit, I should have 4 houses, 1, 2, 3, 4 houses, and then all the decor. So let's see what we've got here. Okay, I have frosting, which I don't know if I'm going to use or not. Here are my houses, and here is my candy. So some of this we'll use. I really like this, probably crushed peppermint. It looks like glitter, so we might use that. And I will say if I use any food products, and because I'm using glue too, I always coat them with some clear coat, just so I don't attract any bugs. Okay, let's get this gingerbread open and start gluing getting our houses apart first and then start gluing them. And I don't know, some of you may be going, oh, this isn't safe. Well, I wouldn't do this if you had small kids, or I would put them way out of reach if you had small kids. These are fun though for doing centerpieces, if you want to give one as a gift, just for a fun kind of Christmassy gift. These are fun to do. Also, because I'm using craft stuff glue, they can travel where they don't travel well if I don't. Okay, now I have to break these apart, and I'm going to try. I never break on the seams, so I'm going to use my craft knife to kind of get me started here. And get these apart. Let me see if I can. There we go. I just kind of scored it again. They have it scored, but I went over it again just to kind of start it, and it seemed to work really good there. And then this one looks like a little barn, so I may do this one as a barn. Okay, and then these must be the sides. Okay, there's that house. Now, let me get some of these cookie crumbs off. I hate crumbs. Oh no, it's one of those texture issues. I didn't have any texture issues till I got CRPS. And I have texture issues. Okay. Now I'm just going to break the rest of these off. And we'll be right back. Okay, so I got all the little houses together, and they are so cute. And if some glue dripped down, I'm going to use that as like ice snow. It's super cute. Now, for the snow on top, I was going to use modeling paste, but I don't think I have enough. So I went and squeezed the frosting into this bowl and got a spoon. Because I hate those bags you decorate with. I always end up getting it all over me, and they're just terrible. So we'll see if this works any better, because this is not normal, like spreadable cake frosting. I took decorating classes, and this is like a super stiff royal icing almost, meant to be on stuff like this, and it's not very good. It's made with shortening, actually. So yeah, these aren't good for your kids to eat anyway. These aren't good to eat anyway, so definitely you're not losing out on a great, treat by making these with non-food things, because honestly this stuff is non-food. And this is from Wilton, and that's how I know kind of what this frosting is, because I took Wilton cake decorating, cupcakes, all of that. And this is made with Crisco shortening, and it's made to be super stiff so you can mold it and shape it, but that doesn't always work either. That's good. Now we're gonna go the other side. Oops. It's very, you can see it's not runny like cake frosting. Alright, there's the first one. It's quite cute. How am I going to set this down without getting this all over my hands? There we go. I'm going to do this little barn looking one. No, I'm going to do something different with him. I'll go to one of these cottages here. Alright, now I think for my little barn shaped one, this one, I know it has windows, like a door and stuff like a house, but if you look at the back, it actually has like a window up here, and I could paint over these. So I think now I'm going to get some paint and paint it, and then we'll go from there. So let me grab some red paint and some brown paint. I'm going to scoop these back so that frosting can harden. Actually, I should finish this one real quick too. This stuff gets really stiff as it sits. So let me go ahead and, I'm going to put a little bit on the barn, but not a lot. So if it sits a little bit, it won't hurt. But let's go ahead and get... Alright, now I'm going to get the paint. Ooh, I don't like frosting. Now I'm going to get the paint and do my little barn here. Okay, I want to have the look of an old weather barn, so I'm going to use a little bit of black paint for the roof. So there's our barn, our little barn. Now we're going to put some frosting on it. Isn't it cute? Let it dry a little bit. And I'm going to put some of the frosting on the top. Now let's add some of our bigger decorations before we add our small ones. I think on your roof you should have snowflakes, right? And I have a blue one. And the good thing is with the frosting, they just kind of stick in. There we go. And then maybe with this one, I'll put the little ginger shiny dude there maybe. Or maybe he should go on the barn. Like a weather vane, only he's a gingerbread guy. Let's take our snowflake house. Our barn is done. It just needs to dry, so we'll put it right there. Now our snowflake house has our snowflakes on the top. Let's glue, or do this one blue, since we already obviously started. I think we should do some trim. You know how you put lights all on a roof? I'm going to put this gold on our A-frame house here. And I'm just going to take this ribbon and just lay it across there and push it down. Because like I said, this stuff is like glue and it just works perfectly. I'm going to bring it over here and cut it. Okay, and I'm going to push it in. There we go. And it actually looks like lights on the house, which is kind of cool. Now, our snowflake guys definitely need some decor on the house itself. I think I'll paint the house blue. You could paint the house any color you want to, or you could leave it brown. You could paint the windows yellow to look like there's light coming through. But hold on a second. Okay, I'm going to use some of this silver pipe cleaner for some trim around the edge of the house. So let's do that. I'm going to put my other... And don't worry if you mess the frosting up, because you can always go back and add a little more. Which is what I'm going to do. Let me cut this off right here. Okay. And then I'm going to come in with my frosting on the edge here. There we go. That piece up. There we go. Just like that. Makes it super easy. And then you have one with like lights or tinsel on the outside. And I'll do a finished at the end. I'm just kind of giving you ideas now. Let's see. Bows here. There we go. And there's our house with the bows and the red. How cute. You could add whatever else to these you wanted. Yep. Hey guys, future me. I wanted to share with you that the reason I did this and I did so many different houses was to give you ideas. The gold gingerbread house shows that you could do many different things. You could make one of all gold, all pink, all purple, every house in the village, or one big house, all pink, all gold, with different levels of pink. You know, that would look amazing. A pink house with hot pink accessories, pink sparkle, or purple, whatever your favorite color. You can make a modern farmhouse look or a vintage farmhouse look. That was what the barn and the white one with the little gingerbread, the worn look. That was all to show you that you can make a shabby chic looking village, a farmhouse looking village. You can make a more traditional one if you want. I just wanted to give you ideas and to push you out of your comfort zone and out of thinking in the box to thinking outside the box. Use these. You can create them however you want. I just wanted to give you some opportunity and some inspiration to create something a little different. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. Are you looking forward to Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, or just for the holidays to be done totally. Again, thanks for being here. There is a whole little tour of the village at the end of this video, so don't miss out on that. Bye.